Like I was saying several times today, uh, I visited camps in Turkey many times, and I shared my ideas about Turkish community every time I was here. So the first time I had a talk with you and Murat over the Skype, I thought that it must be yet another group of students who are willing to have a camp and to get their colleagues together and to have fun, but most likely it has nothing to do with ideas I'm trying to share. When I visited Inzva last year, it was just the beginning of inzva, like a smaller room, smaller space. We had a nice camp, though, but still, yeah, we were talking and talking like all the previous times. However, now, the year after, I'm really impressed with the progress. So, in comparison to 2017, now you have a much better vision and understanding of the things that are happening in competitive programming, about the community, about the possible ways how to connect all these groups of people together in order to start the community and to make it possible in Turkey. So that's what I'm really happy about.